Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and this time we're demonstrating a unit out of a 66 Mustang. This comes from John in Keller, Texas. I believe John has also sent me a Techniques RS-858 some time ago, so this is the second job I've gotten from John. Thank you, John. John has requested the FM conversion with Bluetooth. And so I've got it set to AM at the moment. It's almost sundown. I'm trying to beat the clock here, trying to get this test in before the AM goes off the air. So, okay, I just missed it. Okay, you're going to have to take my word for it. Okay, well, you can tell by all the crap that's going on that we are picking up some AM interference and stuff, so we'll just call it that. Let's go to FM. Okay, and now we'll just go down the dial here.
Certain, you just really don't know.
Y ya ven, así todo.
Owned and operated, Sun Valley Tire.
Just a train, not
So just by eating it.
.com. That's easy planes to.
Okay, so those are all FM stations. We'll see if we can find a commercial or some talk radio.
So think about that for just a minute. I mean, like,
we're going to demonstrate the virtual balance and fader functions, original balance control, left,
true. Do you know the average
right,
American just has like 10
all the way left,
to 15 grams of
all the way
fiber
right,
a day? Only 1.5% of Americans now eat vegetables.
Virtual front rear fader.
Like, that's amazing.
Fader adjust.
Okay.
No smoking.
All the way front,
but a lot of people
rear,
still do. We know
front,
drinking excessively
rear.
bad.
Okay, I'm going to center the speakers.
We know the vegetables are good for us. Like our parents told us.
Fader set.
Okay, make sure the Bluetooth goes into pairing mode.
But there's a lot of adult.
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, that one's kind of tricky because you got to turn it up twice, turning it back down each time. But then the second time you turn it back down, you got to turn it back up so you can hear the lady saying Bluetooth ready to pair. So the unit is now trying to pair with a portable audio device, and of course I don't do all that in the video. I just make sure it goes into pairing mode, indicating it's working properly. So let's test the 8-track function. Got some Neil Sedaka.
Cancer is lung cancer, and it's not just from.
Okay, we're at the end of a song here. We'll crank it up. There's no crosstalk between songs. Just a little bit of motor noise there. Sorry guys, I still had the tone control turned down. That's why the tape sounded a little dull.
If you're feeling low down, if you're gonna put her down, here's where I whisper in your ear. My heart goes in, blown the coop, knock the blues for a little what I'm dreaming of.
Alrighty, pull the tape out and the radio comes back. Let's test the dial light. Yep, you can see that's green, soft green flashing on and off in response to my command. So that takes care of the thing. And sorry that I began the test just a little bit late to catch the AM on the air. It's that's just the way it goes. It's nighttime, and as you can tell, the it's a little bit dimmer because I'm using natural lighting. So that takes care of this radio. If the customer calls and says the AM doesn't work, I promise I'll fix it again for free. But it's all the same thing. It's the same module I've been installing in the last 500-600 radios. So I know the AM's good. I just tested it. So I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. My website and phone number are in the description below. I do ask all customers to visit my website before calling me with a whole bunch of questions because that information is already on my website, and as little time as I spend on the phone, that's that much more time I can put into the quality of my workmanship, which is getting to be more and more critical as my business continues to grow. So thanks so much for watching and listening, and thank you, John, for your repeat business all the way from Texas, and we'll see you guys next time.